Have you noticed these videos quietly taking over YouTube? AI-generated music videos are popping up everywhere. These channels are racking up millions of views and earning thousands of dollars. In the past, creating such videos would have cost you a fortune, but with AI, you can produce them at a fraction of the cost. And they're so easy to make that even a goldfish could do it. With just a couple of AI tools, you can create videos like this.
Boy named Harry, he's a special one. Born to the Potters, but they done got zapped. Now he's living in a trailer with the Dursley pack. Aunt Petunia's his cousin, Uncle Vernon's his bro, and that Dudley boy, well, he's his kin, y'all know.
Take the channel Burning Dust, for example. In just 6 months and with only 57 videos, they've gained 130,000 subscribers and an astonishing 17 million views. Look at these numbers on their top-performing videos: 6 million, 5 million, 1.2 million, and 1 million views. Then there's the Dor Brothers. They have 244,000 subscribers and 35 million views from just 42 videos. Or this channel, demonflyingfox, with 366,000 subscribers and 113 million views across 105 videos. Have you noticed something about these channels? Let me show them side by side. You can see how each one zeroes in on a specific theme or style rather than just throwing out random videos. Burning Dust focuses solely on electronic music videos, complete with those distinctive, eye-catching visuals. You know exactly what I'm talking about. The Dor Brothers dive into funny political and billionaire-themed music videos, while demonflyingfox draws inspiration from movies, placing them in various humorous settings. They're not just randomly creating content, they have a clear theme that resonates with their audience. Before you dive in, think about a niche that truly interests you. For example, if you're focused on a specific music style, pair it with a unique and consistent visual theme, like cyberpunk, comic book, or anime-inspired aesthetics, so your videos have a unified look. But if your concept is not necessarily about the music itself, you can mix things up. Your audience won't mind if one video features political characters in Bikini Bottom, the next in a Minecraft world, or even one where they're chasing a rabbit in the Looney Tunes universe. Once you decide on your niche, it's time to start creating your videos. For today's example, I'm making a rap music video about billionaires working in funny jobs. Let's kick things off by creating our music with SUNO. You can use the link in description to sign up, and after you create 10 songs, you'll get 250 free credits. On the homepage, click on Create, then click on this button to change it to custom mode. Next, click on Full Song to start writing your lyrics. Type in your prompt, rap song about billionaires working in funny jobs. Imagine Elon Musk as a taxi driver, Jeff Bezos as an Amazon factory worker, and Mark Zuckerberg as a lizard king, each facing hilarious challenges. Click Write Lyrics and wait a few seconds for the output. Once the lyrics are generated, pick the version you like best. If you're not feeling it, just click Write Lyrics again for more options. Once you have your lyrics, choose or type in the musical style you want and click Create. Within seconds, you'll see 2 music tracks to pick from.
Rhythm in our veins, cash dreams on our mind. Every beat of the hustle leaves the rest behind.
I'm cruising neon avenues, dreams collected with each fare, yet gridlock and long night rides show life's weight I must bear. I'm stacking crates with precision, every box set in its place, but endless shifts and heavy loads strain my strength and grace.
Alright, that one sounds amazing. Let's go with it. Now click here to download it, then select Download and choose MP3 audio. Next, for the visuals, I'm going to generate images using the new OpenAI image generator and then turn them into video clips later. You can use any tool you like, but I recommend checking out Leonardo.ai, KLING AI, LUMA, or Google Imagen. They're all fantastic options. You can access the new OpenAI image generator for free by simply chatting with ChatGPT and asking it to create an image. It will use the new AI model. Alternatively, you can use Sora.com to easily queue up multiple images, but you'll need a Plus subscription to do so. For example, simply type in what you want your image to be about. You could enter something like, create an image of your subject. For example, I might type, Elon Musk as a taxi driver. Realistic image, 16:9 aspect ratio. There you have it. Once you've finished generating your images, head over to freepik.com/Picasso to transform them into videos. On the left side, open the burger menu and select AI Video Generator. Then click Custom to change the model. This is one of the reasons I love Freepik. You get access to multiple fantastic video generation AIs with just one subscription. Feel free to try them all, as each offers its own advantages. Let's select KLING 1.6 Pro, which I found to have the best balance of price and quality. Click on Start Image to upload the starting image. Freepik will automatically fill in the video prompt. If you don't like it, you can change it, but I'm leaving it as is. Just make sure the aspect ratio is set to 16:9, then click Generate. In a few minutes, you'll have videos like these. Now it's time to put everything together using a video editor. I'm going to use CapCut. You can find the link in the description below. Just drop in all of your assets. Next, drag your music onto the timeline and make sure the aspect ratio is set to 16:9. Then, arrange your AI-generated videos in the right order. Trim, speed up, or slow down clips as needed to keep everything flowing smoothly. For some extra flair, try experimenting with cool effects and transitions, like smooth fades, zooms, or animated overlays. I won't dive into all the details here, but there are plenty of YouTube tutorials if you want to learn more. And there you have it. We made an AI music video.
Rhythm in our veins, cash dreams on our mind. Every beat of the hustle leaves the rest behind.
I'm cruising neon avenues, dreams collected with each fare, yet gridlock and long night rides show life's weight I must bear. I'm stacking crates with precision, every box set in its place, but endless shifts and heavy loads drain my strength and grace. I tend exotic creatures in a world of scales and stealth, yet wild escapes and constant care chip away at my health. Trump, I seal high-rise deals and sign contracts with the flair, but endless red tape and power plays prove leadership's never fair. I rally every voice, uniting hearts through every strife, yet broken promises and bitter fights cut hope like a knife. I mix raw beats to craft a vibe that's true and bold, yet creative storms and sleepless nights leave my spirit cold.
Fantastic! If you're curious about optimizing your channel and boosting your income, check out this video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.